Good morning. Mackenzie Johnston with Tri-State Livestock News, bringing you your Tuesday morning headlines concerning fair cattle markets. Sponsored by Sandhills State Bank, the most committed brand in banking, and Sandhills Beef Company, American producers feeding Americans, because monopolies won't get us anywhere. To learn a little bit more about Sandhills Beef Company and all they have to offer, head on over to their website, sandhillsbeefco.com. According to Brownfield Ag News, on Sunday night, President Trump signed the bill that funds the government and will provide a third round of coronavirus relief payments. The bill includes $1 billion to compensate farmers and ranchers who were forced to depopulate their livestock because of the pandemic. Losses will be paid up to 80% of the animal's value. Row crop farmers will receive $20 per acre for the same qualifying crops as the last round of CFAP 2. According to the American Farm Bureau, this new aid will amount to almost $1.8 billion for corn, $1.7 billion for soybeans, and approximately $866 million for wheat. Through this new bill, the USDA will be able to extend the term of marketing loans by 3 months. It will provide aid for biofuel producers who have been affected by market losses, and it will also extend the Paycheck Protection Program, also known as PPP. PPP funding can now be used to cover COVID-19 costs, and expenses paid with PPP money are now tax deductible. Dairy producers will also benefit from the bill, as almost $1 billion have been set aside for a dairy donation program and supplemental dairy margin coverage payments. Additionally, $22 million will be available to support dairy business innovation initiatives. The price tag for this bill is a whopping $1.4 trillion for the fiscal year 2021, including $900 billion for coronavirus relief. Brownfield Ag News has reported that NCBA's price discovery plan will take effect on January 1st, but the packer participation part of this plan is still a work in progress. This voluntary 75% plan focuses on benchmarks for negotiated cash trade and packer participation. As we all know, the plan contains triggers that must be met, or the organization plans to pursue a regulatory or legislative solution to achieve robust price discovery. According to NCBA's Ethan Lane, the packer participation portion of this plan is still a work in progress. NCBA has been appreciative of the packers listening to what the organization has to say, and they believe that the packers know that they need to play a role in their plan. Lane stated that the biggest hurdle is the confidentiality rule that the USDA must adhere to as far as what they can release. He said that the organization is working with the packers to find a sweet spot where they can get the information they need and also communicate out what they think is needed as far as participation in those different regions to have robust negotiated trade. Lane believes that the packers recognize the frustration in the industry and would like to figure something out. Packers and producers are in the supply chain together, but everyone is looking out for their own business in a situation like this. Regardless, Lane thinks that everybody is currently working toward the common good for the industry. Finally, National Beef Wire reported yesterday that choice box beef ended the day at $207.82. That was up 28 cents. And select box beef ended the day at $196.65, and that was down $1.28. That is all I have for you guys this morning. I hope everyone had a great Monday. I hope you guys are all staying warm wherever you're at. Have yourself a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.